Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to learn three things. We are going to learn how to join different lines into one object. We're going to learn how to explode one object into different lines. And then we're going to learn a little bit about Pedit. Let's get started. All right, so to illustrate the join command, I'm going to make a line. So L, got to click on my screen first, L, line, and I'm going to make kind of a parallelogram here. So, and then escape. Okay, so when we do line, you guys probably remember that all of these lines are separate lines. Okay, I've already taught some of you this individually, but if you haven't learned this, then this is a really helpful tool. So if I want to make all of these one object, which can be really helpful, I'm just going to type the command join, enter, and now it asks me to select what do I want to join. Okay, I'm going to join all these lines, click enter, and now you can see that these are one object. They're no longer separate objects. Okay, so there's the join. Now, what if I want to put them back into separate lines again? I don't want it one object, I want them back into separate pieces. So that's where explode comes in. So we're going to type in the word explode, or explode. Okay, enter. Now I'm going to select all the objects just like I did before. I'm just going to select that, enter, and now we are back to where we started. So if you want to separate them into separate lines, you type explode. I can join just two of these if I want. Enter, hover over this, and you can see that those two are together and these two are still separate lines. So there we go. There's join and explode. Now we're going to go over Pedit. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to explode all these. There we go. So they're all separate lines again. Okay, Pedit is short for polygon edit, so or polyline edit. So we're going to type in the word Pedit, and there you can see it's there at the top. Click enter. All right, so we see that we have some options at the bottom. Well, we only really have one. Remember, whenever you see these brackets, that whatever's inside the brackets gives you different options. So we're going to type the word the letter M for multiple, enter. And now we're going to select multiple objects. So we're going to select all these lines, enter. Okay. And now it asks another question. So you always got to read what the next question is, okay? Either in the gray bar or in your command bar. So it says, do we want to convert the lines, arcs, and splines into polylines? Do we want to convert them all into polylines? And today we're going to click yes. So we're going to type the letter Y, enter. And we have a whole bunch of different options here. Okay, the only two that we're going to learn today is join and explode. Okay, so we're going to type the letter J, enter, and we're just going to type enter again, and then we're going to click escape. Now you can see that these have been joined again. So what we just did was a very long way of doing join. So we just did join, but we did it through the Pedit route. So it's just a long way of doing join. And unfortunately, we kind of have to know this for the certification.